Hi everyone, welcome back to Good Eats with Tip. So today I will be doing a veggie pizza with pineapples. I hope that you all enjoy. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for your support. If you can just do me a favor, if you like this video towards the end, make sure you go ahead and like and go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you throughout the video. Okay, so I should have told you for this sauce that I'm currently making, you don't want to put in your garlic yet, but it's totally up to you. So that garlic butter that you saw me making in the beginning, you want to put that to the side separately. And as you see here, I took that sauce and added to the garlic sauce. So continue watching. Okay, so here you see me making more garlic butter. If you want to make it all at one time, it's totally up to you, but this is my first time making this and I was just kind of doing everything out of order. But anyways, I'm making garlic butter again for my crust. I like to brush it on the crust. That way the crust can also have that good garlic buttery taste. Alright y'all, so right here I am adding the sauce. I don't like a lot of sauce on my pizza, so you're going to just see me just kind of lightly dust it all over. If you do like more sauce, there was extra sauce left over, so you are welcome to definitely do that. And then I just go in with my cheese. I did have to purchase fresh mozzarella, and so I shredded that on my own. And then you'll see me finishing up with the rest of the toppings. Make sure you continue to stay to the end, y'all. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe, and go ahead and hit that notification bell. this is it. This pizza came out so good. This was actually my first time making this. I didn't want any meat. I just wanted something that was very light and refreshing, and this was perfect for what I wanted. Hope that you all enjoyed. You can find the recipe at tipsgoodeats.com. Make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.